I'm Samantha Schober, Associate Editor at SecurityInfoWatch.com, live from ISC West today with Aiphone, an intercom and security communications distributor and manufacturer. I'm here with Ben Jobrack, the product manager at Aiphone. So Ben, how's your show going so far today?
It's been great so far. Yesterday was really busy and lots of customer interactions, so hopefully it's another good show today.
Yeah, it seems like it's been a great show for everybody. Lots of people, lots of energy. So let's sort of just get into it right off the bat. What products and technologies is Aiphone bringing to the show this year? How do they address all of the current security challenges that are being presented on the show floor? Is that what's behind us right now?
Yeah, so today and all show long, Aiphone is focused on three major new products that we've got. We have Aiphone Cloud, which is our cloud-based management system for your IP intercoms. We have our new AC series access control system with the cloud option coming in May. And then we have our core product lines, the Aiphone IX and IXG intercoms, so widely adaptable to suit almost any security communication need.
And what kind of security challenges specifically are these products addressing at the show this year?
Absolutely, good question. So these products are designed to facilitate efficient movement of people in a secure manner into and out of buildings. So employees will use their credentials with our AC series access system to get access to the areas they need only when they're supposed to be there. And visitors or unexpected guests will use our intercom devices to request access to those areas if they don't have a credential.
Seems like a pretty convenient security barrier.
Yeah, well, we're all about connecting people, so allowing people to communicate when they need it, anytime they need it, in the most efficient manner possible.
It's good philosophy for a communications company. So intercom systems have evolved significantly with the advent of IP-based technologies. So how is Aiphone adapting to these trends? What advantages do they offer in these specific areas? Can you tell me a little more about that?
Absolutely. So with the revolution of IP technology, we're really seeing a distance between people that is being shortened by these technologies.
Right.
So traditionally, we would have a person at a desk who could see the front door, who may buzz someone in. But now with the advent of network technologies, the person unlocking the door could be in a different county, a different state, or in a different building.
Right.
Plus, the amount of technology that you can pack into these devices is extraordinary. So we're seeing devices connecting hundreds of sites together. So establishing that communication where you might have many remote offices all communicating back to a security operations center centrally located to manage access to those areas.
Yeah, it seems incredibly convenient with the more sort of hybrid model we have going on these days, becoming increasingly common. So what steps is Aiphone taking to ensure that systems are simple and easy to deploy? Because that seems to be a major pain point for a lot of installers.
It is, and that's something where the technology is improving so fast, it also can add a lot of complexity. With capability can come complexity a lot of the time. So we're just trying to figure out some best ways and best practices for the users and dealers to interact with our products. So investing time in user interface, user experience, and design, right? Let's think about how the user is going to approach this problem, how the dealer needs to do what they want to do, and then guiding them as much as possible to the most efficient way to do that. So really want to empower them to get what they need done in a timely fashion in an intuitive way. And so we're working with our inside engineering team and our designers to make that experience as good as we can for our customers.
So you had mentioned earlier Aiphone Cloud. Tell me a little bit more about that. Why should people be excited about this new offering?
Yeah, so Aiphone Cloud is brand new. It launched in October. We have a major update coming on Friday, which I'm very excited about.
Excellent.
Sort of a revolution 2, an improvement on the original Aiphone Cloud, where Aiphone Cloud will allow customers to manage and program their intercom sites remotely. So traditionally, a lot of intercom systems require the dealer to be on site, sort of drive a truck to the site to make an update to a system, to change programming. Well, with Aiphone Cloud, you can manage all of your intercom systems remotely. So whether you have one site or 50 sites, with the advent of our new cloud gateway and the updates we've made to it, you can make changes from your intercoms on the fly from your office.
From anywhere you want?
From wherever you want. So any web browser will allow you to program and manage your intercoms remotely. So that's like less truck rolls to the site, a faster response time to customer changes for service and requests.
Well, it seems like you have a lot in store in the future, especially in this coming update on Friday. So sort of speaking to that, what kind of trends do you foresee coming in the upcoming years as it pertains to access control and communications technology? And how is Aiphone preparing for this looming arrival?
Yeah, so the number one thing that we hear from our customers is flexibility. They want the flexibility to answer the intercom call from anywhere, to make changes to their access control system programming from anywhere, to unlock a door from anywhere. So we've invested a lot of time in providing a multitude of ways for our customers to do that, whether that's through mobile apps or through PC software or through a wide variety of answering stations that we have from our intercom perspective. And with our access control system, we've invested in the technology to allow users to very easily and quickly issue guest passes for their friends or maintenance people if it's a commercial site. Anything that we can do to facilitate more of a frictionless experience where people are trying to get into a building and they need an easy way to do that. So yeah, I think moving forward in the future, we'll have a lot more options for that, and technology is constantly evolving, so who knows what the next handheld device will be, or what the next AI-embedded personal assistant will allow you to do with these products.
Well, it seems like there you have a lot of exciting stuff in store for Aiphone coming up in these coming years. So thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today, Ben. For everyone over at Security InfoWatch, thanks so much for sharing your progress with Aiphone Cloud and the upcoming updates and your insights into the industry.
Thank you so much
appreciated.
for coming.
Have a great rest of your show.
You too.